In this video, you'll learn how to add a new modifier. Let's get started. To get started, open up Quick Menu. So today I'm going to add a new special sauce to my burgers as an option. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go under my modifier tab on the side here, and I'm going to add a new modifier. So I could put it under the modifier. This is just how you want to categorize the item. So let's say I'm going to put under food as my major and modifier as my minor category. So I'm going to click new. And automatically takes me to the builder screen, and this is where I can type in a name. So I'm going to call it special sauce with an asterisk, and there's no upcharge. So if you have a new item you're adding and it has an upcharge, you could put that price in here. Otherwise, you can leave everything the same. By default, your modifier will follow the main item, which is normally how you want modifiers to print. You do have the option to change it to go to its own prep category, which would be if you had maybe a salad and you're adding chicken to it. But for this example, we're just going to follow the main item. You can also decide on which color you want the modifier to show up in. The default is blue, but we can change this to light red. The other options here are not always necessary. Depending on what you need the modifier to do, that's something that you could discuss with a help desk technician. But for a basic modifier for an item, all you really need here is the name and the price, if there is one. So now that we've created our modifier, we're going to go ahead and close out of the modifier builder. Now we need to attach the modifier to a modifier group. The easiest way to do this is to go to one of the items you want to add the new modifier to. So this sauce, we want to add it to our burger. So I'm going to go to the burger screen. I'm going to select a burger. As you can see, this burger has 3 different modifier groups: cooking temps, general food mods, burger sandwich mods. I want to add the new sauce to the burger sandwich mods. I'm going to right click on burger sandwich and hit edit parent modifier group. Once I'm in the parent modifier group, I'm going to go ahead and search for the modifier created called special sauce. Then I'm going to select the modifier to highlight it blue, and then I'm going to drag over to the list. I can put it at the top of the list, I could drag it to the end or the middle of the list. It's up to you where you want to place it. Now that you've attached the modifier to the modifier group, we're going to close out of this. Anyone who has the burger sandwich modifier group will now have the special sauce attached, which means all my burgers will now have the special sauce. I'm going to close out a quick menu because I'm done. Now, if I want these changes to happen right now and push them out to the front of the house, then I'm going to need to run an immediate system change, hit continue, and now my changes will be pushed out to the front of the house. If I don't need them to happen right now and I can wait overnight, or I don't want to disrupt my restaurant, I can just leave it and it will update overnight for you. We're all set. Thank you for watching.